good morning! Welcome to another vlog. For today, I will be featuring Christina Falls. Yay! Keep watching!
This is the entrance going to Christina Falls.
Hey guys! So we are now on our way to Christina Falls. Yay! See you there! Hey guys, so we just arrived here at Christina Falls and napaka-majestic talaga ng waterfalls guys. Ayan. So that is the waterfalls from afar. Ayan.
Christina Falls is the second highest waterfall in the northern Mindanao region of the Philippines. It is located in Iligan City, which is considered to be the city of Majestic Waterfalls because of the presence of more than 20 waterfalls in the city. It is called the Twin Falls as the flow is separated by a rock at the brink of the waterfall. This 98-meter high waterfall is the primary source of electric power in Mindanao, being harnessed by the Agus VI hydroelectric plant.
Hey guys, so I'm so near Christina Falls. Ayan. So that is the stream of the water of Christina Falls. Yay! JD boy, smile! Smile JD! Hey guys, so this is my second time to be here in Christina Falls. The first time that I was here, I think that was year 2016. I just want to share a trivia to you guys. Iligan City is known to be the city of Majestic Waterfalls And this waterfalls right here, which is Maria Christina Falls, is the most famous waterfalls here in Iligan City. This is the main source of power for our electricity here in Mindanao. Hey guys! Unfortunately, we were not allowed to go to Maria Cristina plant, which is andun sa taas, because there are machineries there that are still under maintenance. So, sayang guys, kasi andun sana yung perfect spot for an Instagram photo, which is the nearest to the waterfalls. Hey guys, so meron pala silang cave dito, ayan, and from here, I am hearing the sound of bats, ayan. Hey guys, so we are here at Gloria's Ihaw-Ihaw to have our lunch. And andito kami sa tapat ng Timuga. So ayan yung mga water parks. So ayan yung Mimars Springway Resort. Ayan, saka yung Dalamar Resort. So keep watching guys! Hey guys, so we will eat our lunch na.